So chicken noodle soup. This is enough for the family. It's a big bowl there. So we're going to cook some beautiful chicken with some lovely spices, do our noodles, get some stock, and then we just pile it all together, whatever you want. You can see I've got a lovely selection of stuff. You can play around with that if you like. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 2 chicken breasts here, no skin, no bone. You saw me just cut that. You see I kind of just sliced down into it, nice thin slices, you can see. This is super easy. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is a dark one, you could use light if you want. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Really lovely nutty flavor. We're going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding salt because we've got enough salt with the soy. And then here I've got 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Now I'm using paste because it's nice and fine. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. If you don't have this or don't want to use it, you can just chop some ginger and garlic and get it as small as you can. The paste works really well. Very simply, all we're going to do is we're going to drop this in the refrigerator, cover it up. I'm going to get some kind of plastic wrap on it, get it in the refrigerator, minimum of 2 hours overnight. It's fabulous. Okay, so here we are. I left my chicken overnight, so good morning everyone. Now I've got this pan here. You can see I've got one of those ones with some strips in it. Neither here nor there. You don't really need that. You just need some skillet or frying pan or something like that. We're going to grab a piece of chicken. We're going to put it on. Medium heat. Don't go crazy because this is quite thick. Now these sides, I reckon they're going to take about 8 minutes, 8 or 9 minutes. And I'm going to be flipping it quite a lot. Okay, so they're beautifully cooked. Off goes the heat. Now, what you can do with those, you can slice that, get that into a salad, get that into a soup, get that into a stir fry. I mean, it's really sort of versatile, maybe even a sandwich. What we're going to do is set that aside and then we can move on. So I've got a big pot here, water in it, cold water. I'm bringing that to the boil. Let's check out our noodles. I'm going to use these noodles today. These are a wheat noodle, and what I'm going to do is bring the water to a boil. And I'm going to drop these in. They're going to sit in the water for about 4 minutes. There are loads and loads of different types of noodles, obviously. So just read the packet for the ones that you're using. But yeah, these ones are wheat, boiling water, 4 minutes, drain them off, done.
David was here for a very particular reason. He really wanted to be here. There was a confusion in David's work. David helped foster himself.
Okay, so all the components are together and a few extra bits. So there's our noodles. Now, that's not all the whole packet. That's only about a third of the packet. The chicken, I've sliced that now. That's really got some lovely flavour on it. As you saw, we cooked that earlier. And the other main ingredient, the main part, is stock or some liquid. I've got some chicken stock there. Now, if you want, you can just use a couple of chicken cubes or something like that. I've actually got some homemade chicken stock there. And then we're going to add some extras. So I've got some bell peppers, some green onions or scallions or whatever you call them, spring onions. Bean sprouts, a little bit of flaked chili, some broccoli, which I just parboiled in the stock when I was cooking it up, when I was heating it up. So just in for like a minute only. Couple of eggs and a little bit of cilantro or coriander. Again, whatever you call that. So many names for so many things. Let's get this together. Oh, by the way, and then here some bok choy or pak choy. All right, so we're going to go for the build. So I've got a nice big bowl there. Put my noodles in, and we're going to get our stock onto the noodles. Like I say, you can just use one of those kind of Maggi cubes or something like that, you know, if you want. And then, let's get some chicken happening. Sliced chicken. This really is flavorful, this chicken. Really, really flavorful. And then we're going to add all the other bits. But like I say, you can add other things in. You can add some raw mushrooms, some tofu, some other thing, put some carrots in there or something like that. I'm just going to get the chicken on one side here. There's plenty of it. I mean, this is not for one. This is a bit of a family member. Let's get our bok choy or pak choy, whatever you call that. Some sort of green leaf. The bell peppers. Some bean sprouts. Broccoli in there. Like I said, I just slightly steamed that. Couple of hard-boiled eggs, which I, as you can see, just cut in half. Green onions. Some cilantro leaves, or you could even try some mint or some Thai basil, or also known as holy basil. Just there, like a teaspoon of chili flakes, and then sesame oil. It gives it a really lovely nutty flavour, and that's it. That's a beauty, I think. And there you go. So that goes in the centre of the table, and the family can dig in, take out what they want, scoop out some of the stock, the noodles. Really, really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.